All right, stickers are on, okay, on both sides, okay, but here's the deal. Now you gotta put this thing in here, okay, all right? Now, this is your next headache. Now, this here does slide in like this. My handy camera assistant, can you hold the camera for a moment, please? All right, you try to keep it focused on this right here. I'm my ugly mug. Okay, so now this here goes in like this. Okay, so that's why they got those lines like that. So you put it in there like that, slide it in here, then now that's in place. But you can't jumble around, right? So now you have these pieces to help center it. So what you do is you take this, slide it in right here, like that, okay? And then you take the other piece, slide it in on the opposite side. So it helps to center it. Well, try to get it to do it. So these little notches here gotta line up with this, or it'll be all like rickety. So let's try that again. Right now it's balanced and centered. This here, that little line, lines up with that. Boom. So as you can see, when you try to do it on its side, it does weird stuff. So now this gives it the ability to turn. But if this isn't slid all the way in there like that, you see how those little lines have to be pushed in like this? This gives that torque and the power for it to be able to turn. See? See? Mm-hmm. But as you can see, if it's not all the way together, it falls apart. All right, now put it back. So now put that on there. This back on here. This thing is a lot more difficult than it looks, but we can do it. So now that part is done. Now there should be some more for the other side. All right, so now the other side here. Put this here, and then now this one here goes there. At least it should. And I'll tap them in afterwards, but this looks to be about right where it needs to be. That's that torque my niece needs, you know, because she got a lot of power. That little girl. She needs this stuff to be right, because if it ain't, Uncle gonna get had. So this is that next step. So I'll get the detail to it down in just a minute, but that's where we are so far. All right.